If you are looking to build a profitable solo ad business, then hear me close. Hi guys, my name is Ishaan and I have 8 plus years of experience as a solo ad seller and 6 plus years of experience as a business coach. And in this video today, I'm going to tell you some essential things that you need to practically run a solo ad business and make profits. I mean big profits. Okay. And in one of my old videos, I have already discussed about how you can actually become a solo ad vendor, but that was a very basic version. So if you are a complete beginner in particular field, you can actually check out that video to know the basics. The link is in the description box below. Okay. And now I will tell you exactly what you need to get started. As you know, solo ads are all about email traffic. So you obviously cannot do it without an email list. So for obvious reason, the first thing you need to start a solo ad business is an email list. Okay. So this is my number one suggestions to build a list, because I found in my journey that the sooner you grow your list, the sooner you can start selling solo ads. So as soon as you reach the point of being able to start a solo ads, you reach a point to regain your initial investment that you have actually made to build your list. Okay, but let me tell you, it would gonna take some time for sure, because no matter how good email swipes you write, you can only get an average of 2 to 3% of your subscriber who will click on the links, and this means you have to build a list of at least 5,000 subscribers to sell 100 clicks a day. So it can take months to build a list of 5,000 subscribers, but yes, it depends totally on the time you spend to build your list. So if you spend more time every day solely focus on growing your list, you can do it faster. Okay, it's all about spending more money, drive more traffic and build more lists. But the chances are you can actually feel burnt out while building a list of 5,000 subscribers or even 10,000 subscribers, because it's not like people will always stay in your list. There will always be a people who will unsubscribe you. Okay, I hope you know that. So your list, regardless of your quality of your spy, there will always be people who will unsubscribe your list regardless of the quality of your spy, and you know that, right? So yeah, it's a burn and churn business, and I have created separate video on list building that can be helpful for you. You can actually find the link in the description section below. Okay, so the next point, or the next most important thing that you need to have, is a connections. Yeah, you heard it right. You need to build a connection with other solo ad vendors. And why do you need to do that? When you actually initially build your list, you may not be able to generate 100 clicks from a single email you actually send. And that is totally fine, because you can always ask for help for your click banking partner. Yeah, here I'm not talking about an e-commerce platform that is ClickBank, but I'm talking about a strategy that is click banking. Click banking is a term used to describe the process of bartering clicks for clicks. In simple words, you provide clicks to another solo ad provider from your own list to help them complete their order, and in return they provide you equal amount of clicks from their own list when you need some extra clicks to complete your order. Or that's how you can also build your list as well if you do not want to send the traffic directly to your customer. Okay, so if you are just at the beginning of your solo ads career, it's better to build connections with your fellow solo ad provider. And I really love when solo ad providers help each other and grow together as a community. And in fact, this is the thing that gave me my goal of educating and helping new solo ad vendor to live a financially free lifestyle. And this leads me to develop a well-structured course that can help you practically set up your solo ad business and make 3,000 to 5,000 US dollar per month. All you have to do is to join my solo ad business blueprint training for free. Yeah, the link is in the description box below, so you can go and join it. Okay, so yeah, you should join it. Now moving forward, the third thing that you need is a tracking software. Whether you are buying or selling solo ads or just borrowing clicks, you would like to know, like, what is the exact amount of clicks that you are actually sending or receiving, what is their tier 1 percentage, or from where the traffic is actually coming from. And that is why you need a tracking tool. You can use tracking tools like ClickMagic, ClickMeter, or QLicker, okay, to easily track data and analytics for your solo ads campaign. The standard package of ClickMagic start at $37 per month. ClickMeter and QLicker start under $30 for a month. Alright, so now for the last thing that you need to take off your solo business is learn how to do split testing. Okay, you should know what works best for you, whether you are writing a subject line for your email swipe or maybe you are actually writing a ad copy. Okay, so that is why you need to split test everything you do. And by everything, I mean everything. Split test your email copy if you're writing it for your client. Test the font you use. Test visual content. Test subject lines. Test call to action button that you are giving. Test button color. Test the text of the button, or test the time of sending email. Test everything. Test. Okay, so and you can do it simply by taking a small fragment of your list and dividing it into a two part and then send two different email copies with two different things that you want to test. And you can do it simply by taking a small fragment of your list and dividing it into two parts and then send two different email copies with two different things that you want to test. Say you want to test your subject line. Write two different subject lines and name them as SL1 and SL2. After that, send email from SL1 to your first half of your fragment and then email with the SL2 to the rest of the list or rest half. Now, based on the result of this test, you can choose which subject line will perform better and choose that to send the rest of your list. Okay, because we only have taken a very small fragment earlier, then do the split test in the same fragment by dividing it into two parts, and then once you find a winning subject line, send your subject line that which actually converts better or which actually got you better open rates. Use that subject line to send email to rest of your list. So these were the things that you need to start a solo business. And if you need a hand-holding training to become a successful solo vendor with zero experience, without any time-taking list building process and minimal investment, then join our $97 worth of solo business blueprint for free. Just click the link in the description, and if you want to know more about my solo ads course, feel free to connect with me on Facebook. You know where the link is. Okay, you can also comment down any questions or suggestions that you might have, and follow this channel for more videos like this. Until next time, cheers, bye bye.